Exciting times here at ProSpa International. 27 years ago, we introduced the PR10, the first resistant spot welder for the collision repair industry. Then, year 2000, the PR2000 came along as the first inverter spot welder, and the i4 and the i5. And we're here today to introduce the i4s. We're very excited about this new welder. We feel it's the future of welding. i4s is designed to deal with the ultra high strength steel welding performance that is needed to deal with these very hard to weld materials, as well as the connectivity that we have incorporated into the machine. Now we can use Wi-Fi technology to download the latest repair procedures, training for the technicians, etc. Our team has really done a great job. It's pushing them to their highest level yet, but we love it here at ProSpa.
Our new i4s gun incorporates all the features to produce an auto weld. We can sense the distance between the materials being welded. We can monitor all aspects of the weld. All this information can be displayed on the integrated display on the gun handle. A key feature of the new i4s gun is the fact that on the C-arm we can rotate it 360 degrees while maintaining a water connection with cooling all the way to the tip of the static electrode.
Applying too much current or amperage to the weld nugget can actually make the area surrounding the nugget weaker. So this is some of the high strength steel that we use for testing and evaluation. So first we start out with these two coupons, and then we actually spot weld them together and we find the pull strengths. So once we get a good recipe for the weld, we actually do a pull test on it. So we're actually tugging at both ends of it until the weld breaks. And so you can see right here, the weld's broken. It actually broke at over 4,000 pounds. Now, once we're done with that and we know that we have a good recipe for a weld, we repeat that process and then we get cross sections of it so we can see what's actually going on in the middle of the weld. You can see where the material is fused together in the center. That's the weld nugget. We actually take micrographs of the weld so we can see how wide the nugget is and if there are any defects, any porosity in the weld that makes it a little bit weaker than it should be.
One of the biggest challenges in modern collision repair is the resistant spot welding of ultra high strength type steels. These steels get their strength from a hot forming process during production, so they are very sensitive to the amount of heat produced during a spot weld. By controlling power and energy instead of current, the i4s's auto weld system is able to join these advanced metals without causing heat stress. The i4s overcomes these challenges by using a sophisticated automatic control system to ensure that the right amount of energy is applied to the weld at the right time. Another central feature of the i4s is its ability to connect to a wireless network to allow quick access to a wealth of useful features. The unit can log into any available Wi-Fi network in just 2 easy steps. Select your network from the list on the screen, enter the password, and the welder will take care of the rest. Once connected, the user can get access to all of the latest software updates and training content, as well as be able to send service logs and diagnostic information to any email address with the touch of a button. Finally, in order to make the i4s as intuitive to use as possible, it also has extensive built-in training capabilities to help users get the most out of its advanced features. In addition to a comprehensive help system available through the user interface, the i4s has an onboard video library that can teach users how to install and use different weld arms, make factory quality welds on all areas of a vehicle, and much more. A pair of headphone outputs located conveniently on the front panel of the welder allows for up to 2 operators to view training at once, maximizing training efficiency even in noisy environments. ProSpa is dedicated to keeping our customers informed about the latest features and welding techniques, so stay tuned as new videos are made available through the wireless update system.